Hello folks, Sean here live, and we're getting a storm. It's just gone 9 o'clock at night on a Friday night here folks. It's the 27th of July 2018, and it's also been 37 degrees in Norwich early today. Whoa, look at that! Brilliant! Come on, more! Love it! Come on! I really would recommend you turn your telly off. Yeah, that's thundering. Very softly. Whoa, what a flash! That's off. Whoa! Whoa, this is fantastic, folks. This is fantastic lightning. Whoa! Whoa, flashing all the way along there. Fantastic. Whoa! Well, it is, yes, Dad. Just in the distance. Come on! Just getting a couple of minutes of this, folks. This is live. We're live in Mattishall for this, folks. This is Sean reporting live for Mattishall News, and we got a storm. It's lightning. This is about the right time for a storm here, folks. It's just come just right. That's what we want. Yes. I really would recommend you turn your telly off. Whoa, what a flash! Whoa, fantastic! Love it, come on! Whoa, brilliant, fantastic, give me another one, come on, fantastic! Beautiful! This is how it was, well, something like this back in the day of 2002. We had a violent thunderstorm then. Although it's not really a violent thunderstorm yet. Whoa! Lovely! Whoa! Fantastic! Love it! This is fantastic lightning, folks. This is Mr. Sean reporting to you live for Mattishall News. And listen to that thunder. Yes. Can't be a good storm. Yes, love it. Come on. More. Oh, brilliant. Woo! Whoa, nice. Vicious fork. Whoa! Whoa! This is gorgeous lightning. Whoa! Whoa! Of course it is. It's a violent storm. This is Sean.